Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
If you're searching for the Actions button in Outlook, you're not alone. Many users, especially those familiar with older versions or different email clients, look for this specific feature. In modern Outlook, like Outlook for Microsoft 365, the singular Actions button as a dedicated menu no longer exists. Its various functionalities are now integrated into the user interface in more direct and accessible ways, streamlining your workflow. You'll find most common actions directly on the ribbon. When you select an email in your inbox, simply look at the Home tab. Here, you'll see clearly labeled groups like a move, delete, respond, and tags. For instance, to move an email, click a move in its group. To mark it for follow-up, use the follow-up button in a tags. These options are always visible and ready. Another highly effective way to access various actions is through the right-click context menu. Just right-click on any email in your message list. A comprehensive menu will instantly appear, offering choices like a move, categorize, flag, and a junk. This pop-up menu is often the quickest path to performing a specific task. Furthermore, when you open an email in its own window, the ribbon adapts, displaying actions specifically for that message. Don't overlook quick steps on the Home tab. These powerful tools let you combine multiple actions into one click, such as moving an email and marking it as read simultaneously. So, while the Actions button itself is gone, all its capabilities are still present, spread across a more intuitive and efficient interface.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.